Hello guys, what's up? So we are here almost a week at this point before Samsung officially unveils the Galaxy Z Fold and Z3 Flip. Unpacked event, we know almost everything there to know about the handset. But the price of is something that the kind of still mystery. Even thought we know that the both handsets are going to be cheaper than the last year, and we have even know that they could be up to 20% cheaper than the previous. About the every report about the pricing of the new foldable came from the unofficial sources, but that changes today as we have officially pricing the both Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip country of the even bless. As you can see, the 256 GB variant of the Z Fold 3 will cost 19 euros in Europe, while the 512 GB variant will set you back 2000 euros for some context. The Galaxy Z Fold was launched 2040 euros. So we are saying a price the cut of 114 euros. Remember, these are the European market. We still don't know how much they cost in United States, but if I were a guess, it could be either than $1800 or $1900. In the worst case, the Z Flip will be start in 1099. The European market will its higher and stage the variant will cost, which means it will be the priced massive 315 lower than its the procedure. Also here the pricing for the Indian market. Keep in the mind the Indian pricing is not the official. So you know that you need to